In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted note in Evernote on your mobile device. If you've accidentally deleted a note, don't worry. Evernote keeps deleted notes in the trash for a period of time, which gives you a chance to recover them before they're gone for good. I'll walk you through exactly where to find that note and how to restore it. Start by opening the Evernote app on your mobile device and making sure you're on the main screen of the app. From there, tap your profile icon or open the main menu, depending on how your version of the app is laid out. This is where you'll find access to additional sections beyond your active notes and notebooks. Once the menu is open, scroll down until you see Trash and select it. The Trash folder contains notes you've deleted but haven't permanently removed yet. Take a moment to browse through the deleted notes and find the one you want to recover. If you have several notes in Trash, it may help to look carefully at the note title or preview text before opening it. When you've found the correct note, tap to open it. After the note is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots to open more options. In that menu, select Restore Note. As soon as you do that, Evernote will restore the note for you. In most cases, it will return to its original notebook. If that notebook is no longer available, the note will usually be restored to your default notebook instead, so keep that in mind if you don't see it right away in its old location. And that's it. That's how to restore a deleted note in Evernote using the mobile app.